So if you see, I'm doing a rhinoplasty, a revision rhinoplasty. A lot of people are apprehensive that it will be a very painful procedure, but trust me, it is not. You would feel as if you are sleeping. It may look scary for you to see this procedure, but I have done more than 2000 rhinoplasties in my career, so you can be confident in getting your procedure done here at my center. This was a very difficult nose operated by someone else. This particular patient did not like her nose at all, what the previous surgeon had done, and she wanted me to give her a nice, natural looking nose without a sign that it has been operated. So what I'm doing, I'm releasing the cartilages from the scar tissue so that I can create a better looking nose for her, what she desired. So I'm trying to press it so that the blood stops, and now you can see the result. You can see before her nose was totally distorted, which she didn't like, and after the nose has pretty seam line, dorsal aesthetic line, the bulges that were there, the bulbous tip, it's more smooth and more gentle than before, and the nose looks better than what it was. For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.